What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Ramblin' Garage. Today we are looking at two new things on the channel that we have not seen yet. It's kind of exciting for me because one thing's been around for a few years and the other has been around for a couple weeks. But we're going to turn around here and take a look at both. Here we have Katie, and we have a 1974 GMC Sierra. So let's take a look at the car, and then we're going to take a look at some of the extras that came with it. Alright, so looking at a few things that we got a box full of goodies here. Yeah, and we got some, it came with some Hedman headers. Let's see them. Alright. And we have some, back in here, some thrush welded 2.5 inch that we're going to be putting on this thing. Also have a grill hiding back here. And all sorts of other stuff over there and in the back of that we'll take a look at. Truck also came with some brand new fenders, both sides, inner fenders as well. We're selling all this stuff. We're not going to be using it on this truck because we want the patina look, but we also have a sliding rear class. If anyone watching is interested, reach out and we can make something work. Some other things that came with the truck are just some of these old door cards, some other dashes in there. It came with a brand new headliner. So all this stuff is for sale. We're not going to use it for our intentions. Also got some C10 Suburban Chevrolet 5-lug center caps. Those are up on eBay along with the headlight bezels. So all the stuff that is for sale is on eBay. I'll put a link to our eBay in the description. And if you guys need anything, you can reach out to me direct if you see it on eBay, and we can work out a deal minus the fees and stuff. So we bought this truck primarily for photos, and a couple of the first things we're going to be doing is replacing the seat. It's got a seat under it is okay, but there's some tears in it, and we're going to replace the steering wheel. This is a 14 inch. We're going to go with a 15 inch and a little bit darker wood. So this will eventually be up for sale if anyone is interested. The rest of the interior is okay. It's obviously dirty, need to clean it up, but it looks pretty good. Alright guys, so there you have it. There is our new 1974 GMC Sierra C15. It's a high Sierra, I guess. So it's all there. Small block Chevy 350. I got some headers that are going on it. I'm going to lower the rear by 2 inches with just some drop shackles and do some little things like taking off the fog lights. I would turn around and show you the truck right now, but we are currently working through another video and it looks a little different, so I don't want to show you it right now. But there's the truck, and Katie, she will be in truck videos moving forward, and maybe some other videos moving forward. This one is a little bit different for us because she obviously hasn't been in the videos before, so we're getting used to that. But we're going to keep making content on this truck, and we're going to keep making videos. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.